Do you skip English?
Yes, I feel lazy.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.
How old are you?
I am 29 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Germany.
Do you learn English?
Yes, I learn English.
Why is it important?
It's important for communication.
Are you American?
No, I am not American.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
How was your day?
My day is good, thank you.
Do you feel shy?
Yes, very often.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
How many languages can you speak?
I can speak 3 languages.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat pizza.
How much money do you have?
I have $100.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 siblings.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
What time is it now?
It's 11 a.m.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on May 15th.
What makes you happy?
Talking with family.
Do you like it here?
I love it here.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't like smoking.
Do you hear me?
Sorry, please repeat.
Do you know Jessica?
Yes, she is my friend.
Can I use your phone?
Yes, you can use my phone.
What do you want?
I want some water, please.
How do you feel?
I feel good, thank you.
How old is your brother?
My brother is 20 years old.
What is his name?
His name is Liam.
What is your dream?
My dream is to travel the world.
Can you play guitar?
No, I can't play guitar.
How do you relax?
I relax by listening to music.
Can you dance tango?
No, I can't dance tango.
What color is your car?
My car is blue.
What are you reading?
I'm reading a magazine.
Are you allergic to anything?
No, I'm not allergic to anything.
What do you eat?
I eat pasta for dinner.
How much is this?
This is $45.
Where do you find this?
I find it in the park.
Can I take your picture?
Yes, you can take my picture.
Why do you study English?
I study English to improve my skills.
Is this your book?
Yes, this is my book.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you go home?
Yes, I go home.
Do you know her?
Yes, I know her.
What is her profession?
Her profession is a doctor.
Where do you work?
I work at a bank.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is photography.
Where do you study?
I study at Harvard University.
Why do you smile?
I smile because I'm happy.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 11 p.m.
How is the weather?
The weather is sunny.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, this is my first time here.
Are you hungry now?
Yes, I am a little hungry.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise every day.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a small family.
What does your father do?
My father is a banker.
Do you want money?
Yes, I want money for a new book.
Do you have a girlfriend?
No, I don't have a girlfriend.
How do I look?
You look great.
Do you have everything?
No, I need a new phone.
Do you want to be rich?
Yes, of course.
Do you think I'm stupid?
Absolutely not. You're very smart.
Do you think I'm to blame?
No, you're innocent.
What do you want to drink?
I want to drink coffee.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
When do you usually get up?
I usually get up at 6 a.m.
What do you do on Sunday?
I play sports on Sundays.
What time do you go home?
I go home at 7 p.m.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
Are you afraid of snakes?
Yes, I am very afraid of snakes.
Do you have a tattoo?
No, I don't like tattoos.
How long do you wait?
I wait for 30 minutes.
What do you need?
I need your help.
What do you want?
I want a new job.
Do you think I'm fat?
No, you look great.
What do you want to do?
I want to earn a lot of money.
Will you do me a favor?
Yes, of course.
Do you talk to your dog?
Yes, sometimes, but not always.
Do you know how to drive?
Yes, I know how to drive.
Can I try this?
Yes, you can try this.
Can we go together?
Yes, we can go together.
How far is it?
It's about 5 kilometers away.
Where is my phone?
Your phone is on the bench.
Why do you call?
I called to check on you.
Why do you ask me?
Because I need information.
Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the cafe.
What time does it open?
It opens at 9 a.m. What is your job?
My job is as a teacher.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Taylor Swift.
Can you sing well?
No, I can't sing well.
Why do you start a blog?
I start a blog to share my experiences.
Are you married or single?
I'm single.
How many pets do you have?
I have 2 cats.
Why do you buy a new car?
I buy a new car because my old car breaks down.
Why do you choose this?
I choose this because I like it.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak Spanish.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a pilot.
Do you ever try surfing?
No, I never try surfing.
Are you sick?
Yes, I have a slight cold.
Why are you late?
I have car trouble.
How many hours do you sleep?
I sleep for 7 hours.
What do you like to do for fun?
I enjoy going for hikes in nature.
How many countries do you visit?
I visit 5 countries.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Who do you want to talk to?
I want to talk to Emily.
What do you want to say to Emily?
I want to tell her something.
When does she come?
She comes in 10 minutes.
Are you afraid?
No, I'm not afraid.